Hey everyone, these are the math solutions to the problems on Wednesday, April 15th. So we will start with our first problem. Remember, Sam was in the car and he looked out and saw a bunch of cereal shops. He saw 5 cereal shops on one side of the street and 6 on the other side of the street. How many did he see in all? So, how many did he see on the first side of the street? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many did he see on the other side of the street? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many did he see in all? That means we're going to put those two together. So he saw 5. Actually, no, I'm going to write 5 up here because I knew that was 5. I'm going to write 6 down here because I knew it was 6. To put them all together, we would count them all. But there's a faster way. I already know this is 6. So if I put 6 in my head, excuse me. If I put 6 in my head and then keep going, it'll be a faster way to figure out how many there were. So I'm going to take that 6 and now I'm going to stick it in my mouth. Okay, it's in my head now. So when I point at this, I'm going to say 6. I don't need to count those. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I know that 5 plus 6 equals 11. When I started with 5 and I put 6 more, it made 11. It was the same as 11. Okay, moving on to problem number 2. So, in problem 2, Sam couldn't believe what he was seeing. He thought he'd invented cereal along with Captain Crunch. As he watched, he saw a whole bunch of people out of the window eating cereal. There were 18 people out there eating cereal. Then he blinked, and 6 of them disappeared. So I'm going to start with the 18, and I'm going to take away 6 because they disappeared. So, let's draw 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I have 18 there. Now I can double check really quickly because I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5. And those are lined up, so I can count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have 18 there. Now, he blinked, and 6 of these people disappeared. Well, 1 disappeared, 2 disappeared, 3 disappeared, 4, 5, 6. So how many people are left? Well, 5, 10, 11, 12. So if I write my equation down here, I'm going to have to write it a little bit small. So we started with 18 people eating cereal. Then 6 disappeared, or we took away 6. So I'm going to put a minus sign. And we were left with 12. There are 12 left up there. So if we have 18, we take away 6. It's the same as having 12. Okay, it makes 12. We're going to move on to number 3. Hard to do it with a marker in your hand. Sam had no idea what was happening now. There was cereal everywhere. People were disappearing. What was happening? So he stared out the window and he counted all the people he saw. He counted 76. Now, if I try to put 76 on this board, I'm going to have dots everywhere and I'm not going to be able to count them. So I'm going to use base 10 blocks. Okay? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. There's 70. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 76. So there's 76 people. And 52 of them were eating cereal. How many weren't eating cereal? So 52 of these people are eating cereal. I know that they can't, or they have to be eating cereal. So the ones who aren't in that 52 must be the ones who aren't eating cereal. So I'm going to circle 52 because those people are eating cereal right now. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So let's circle those guys. And 52. So 2 more here. So how many are left not circled? 1, 2. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24. So I started with 76. And then I took away 52, and I was left with 24. Another way to write that would be, I started with, you could start with 76, take away a mystery number, and be left with 52 people that are eating cereal, and that mystery number was 24, as we discovered. So, sorry, little teeny tiny equation there. Ran out of space. So, that was problem number 3. We're going to move on now to our challenge problem, problem number 4. So, Sam got in the taxi at 8 o'clock. He got in at 8. And I'm going to draw a little clock showing 8. So I know 9 is when it's perfectly like that. So I'm going to make 8 about there. Okay, so there's 8 o'clock. Now, he got out at 9:30. How long was Sam... How long was Sam in the car? Well, since there's a 30, I'm going to count by 30 minutes. So he'd go from 8 to 8:30. Okay, so if I draw my clock, I've got 8:30, looks like that. Then 8:30 and 30 more minutes would give us 9 o'clock. So 30, 30, 30. So now here's where I need to learn to count by 30s, which is tricky. But we could also count by hours and hours and a half. So we know that one full time around the clock is an hour. So here was halfway around, here is all the way around from there. So that's 1 hour, and then another half is 1 hour and 30 minutes, 1.5 hours. Okay? Another way to write that would be 90 minutes if you did. I'm going to label it minutes so I know what I'm talking about. And this is hours. Okay, so HR for hour, MIN for minute. So you got 90 minutes if you did 30 plus 30 plus 30. Okay, 30 plus 30 plus 30 equals 90. So 90 minutes. Okay, that is tricky. I know working with time and trying to figure out how much time has passed is very tricky. It is not a first grade skill. It's more of a second or third grade skill. So great work on even trying. I hope to see how some of you worked on it. Thanks for doing your math today. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe, wash your hands, enjoy the weather that's getting a little bit nicer before the next snowstorm. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.